Alright, I want to show everybody a demo of one of the full spectrum cameras that I use. They're actually IR lights used for CCTV cameras. And I've got a power grid a power block that powers them up. And there's a little bit of light outside. And this is one of the Rage cams. I actually have two of these cameras. I have one for backup. And got the little ball going there. I don't know if you can see it because it's in full spectrum. And just kind of give you a demo. And this will go about, in a cemetery or something, this will go about 15 feet. Easily. This is 2 IR lights. There it is. And the nice thing about these cameras, these modded GoPros from Rage Cams, is the audio is superb. Unlike the China webcams that are crappy audio, and this thing right here has excellent audio to pick up EVPs on the fly. And that's been happening a lot lately. EVPs just jumping right on your cameras, even on the phone when I'm filming. So. This will be one of the cameras I'll be taking to Louisiana. One of about 3 cameras. For the new Iberia Ghost Hunt.